To fix a Zline oven that's not heating, several common issues can be checked and potentially resolved. A faulty heating element, tripped circuit breaker, broken temperature sensor, or control board malfunction are typical causes. If the heating element is the problem, start by turning off the oven and consulting the manual to locate the element for inspection. Look for signs of damage, and if damaged, replace it. For a tripped circuit breaker, access the circuit breaker panel, check for tripped breakers, and reset them. Ensure the oven is securely plugged in and then turn it on. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to consult a professional to rule out other electrical issues. A broken temperature sensor can be identified by using the oven's manual to locate the sensor and then testing for continuity with a multimeter at room temperature. If no continuity is found, the sensor is likely broken and should be replaced with a compatible model. The control board should also be inspected for loose connections or damage. Tighten any loose connections found, but if the board is damaged, it should be replaced with a compatible one. If none of these solutions resolve the issue, contacting Zline Kitchen and Bath customer support for professional assistance may be necessary.